Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In today's video I will show you the beautiful room decoration for babies. And if you like this video, so please guys don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and families. So let's start it. You can see this one, the small pillow for babies, and you can see another picture, the mirrors and the cupboards are there. Looking beautiful, design is there, beautiful design. You can see the mirror, gold shaped mirror. Then you can see this one full in white theme. You can see the key for the babies here, and the big place, it is also beautiful in white theme. Everything is in white. And you can see this is also good. You can see the baby place where baby can sleep, very beautiful place. And then you can see the cupboard and the window. And you can see this also the baby plus for baby. You can see down, and you can see the mirror, flower shaped mirror. It is beautiful. And you can see here also the you can read your books, and the cupboards are there, and baby place where for sleeping. And you can see the wall design, and you can see the up to photos, zebra and elephant and giraffe is also there. In the baby for sleeping baby also it is there, beautiful. And you can see the playing playing place for babies, small babies for playing here, and there for sleeping, beautiful place. You can see so also it is VIP maybe, because the decoration is very beautiful. You can see the wall decoration, very beautiful decoration. And you can see the down box white color. And you can see this one also, the lamp is also the lamp is very beautiful. And you can see the pillars, everything very beautiful. And you can see the big plant. I think so it is bamboo. And you can see the up photos, elephant, giraffe, zebra, and this tiger maybe, or lion. And you can see this one also very beautiful place for playing things for baby. They keep here, it is beautiful, looking beautiful. And you can see this one also, it is a normal maybe, because you can see the outside it is a normal place. Normal place is there, and the up lamp is a little bit okay, beautiful. And you can see this is the VIP place. It is also VIP because you can sit down for books is there. And here you can see baby will sleep here. And you can see this one also very beautiful place. The babies, it is also there. And you can see the elephant pictures, and the lamp is also very beautiful, big lamp and attractive lamp. And you can see very beautiful place. And you can see this one also, the animals for photos are going here and there on the wall decoration. And you can see this one also, beautiful decoration. You can see the baby playing place, the ball, the small slide, and the room decor is very beautiful. And you can see this is also for babies, it is also beautiful. Thank you for watching, have a nice day.